Hello crew, today we're going to go fly the Skydio 2 Plus by using the beacon. The beacon device connects to the GPS signals and then is able to track putting that beacon in your pocket, and the Skydio can connect to it. So we're going to test it out, see what that's all about. So come on, let's go.
2, 1. All right, let's give it a try. So it's following behind. It says dirty camera, land now. All right, I'm gonna give this another try. Three, 2, 1. See how this goes. I don't know if you can see the Skydio. Now we're getting ourselves on the trail. It's got to go around some trees. It's doing that pretty good. This will be an interesting tree. Seems like it's doing well. Staying right with me. So it's following really, really well. Got GPS tracking on. Looks like it's doing good. So we're going to cut across the grass here so we're not hitting people. Skydio just staying right with me. Dodging trees right and left here. Very good, Droney. Hello. Okay, we're gonna do orbit. Have it orbit as I walk. Now it's orbiting the other direction. Okay, we stopped the orbit. Try hover. Now, there we go. Using hover. And directing with the wand. That's pretty cool. All right, we'll take it off of hover mode. This manual mode, and we'll fly it towards us. Get it back home. Lower it down. And I'm going to put it in fixed track mode, head back to our bag. So no matter which way we go, it should stay in its same place. That same angle, which it looks like it's doing. So the modes that you have are tracking, fixed tracking, orbit, manual mode. Says we got 55% left on our battery. So by clicking the out and in button, you can adjust 4 different stages of how far away it is from you. That's the second stage. First stage. So we'll go back to the second stage. Third stage. Fourth stage. Third stage. Second stage. First stage. Let's see if that does that in tracking mode. So in tracking mode, it has those same height deals. 4 stages. Try the follow me deal. See if we can get it to come down. Oh. So let's do a tracking. So that's kind of cool, all of the different features. So that's using the Skydio and the beacon. Get it back here and land it. And there you have it. Skydio and the beacon. The beacon is syncing, so that takes a minute before it gets ready to fly again. And off you can go. It says it's ready to fly, so we can go off and do it again. So there you have it, crew. Skydio with the Skydio beacon.